It is January 9th, and I finally have a complete and fully functional TinyRC car. Hooray. It drives, and it turns. It doesn't drive that well right now. It has a lot of problems, but it does drive and turn. And it is the exact same size as the little toy car that we got as presents from the company a few years ago, which is really the most important part. So many things still need to be improved. The drivetrain, as you can see, like the wheels aren't even all touching the ground right now, so I need to put in like a one-wheel suspension. I get brownouts a lot. The battery that's in there is way too small. Right now I have to unscrew the whole body to turn it on and off because the power switch is in the wrong place. The LED hair-thin magnet wires that connect the LEDs, those get torn out every time I take the body on and off. It's a real mess, but it works and it's complete, and it's gonna get incrementally better as I fix little bugs one at a time. Hooray!